Namaste everyone. Welcome to Learning Nepali. It's me Rusmeli Shrestha. Welcome to our today's lesson. We are going to practice reading words that start from Nepali letter G. Today you will learn 50 useful Nepali words that starts with letter G, practice pronunciation, and read 15 useful everyday sentences. Remember, today we are focusing on the words that begin with letter G. So listen carefully each word and sentences and repeat with me. So now let's begin our today's lesson. Today's letter is G. G. Now let's start reading words that begin with letter G. Gown, gown, gown. This means village. Guy, 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 which means cow. Goru, goru, goru. This means ox. Godha, godha, godha. This means donkey. Gola, gola, gola. This means neck. Gala, gala, gala. This means chick. Goda, goda, goda. This means foot. Gok, gok, gok. This means nail. Gahu, gahu, gahu. This means wheat. Geda, geda, geda. Grain. Gatho, gatho, gatho. This means knot. Goji, goji, goji. This means pocket. Gahana, gahana, gahana. This means jewelry. Gahiro, gahiro, gahiro. This means deep. Garo, garo, garo. This means difficult. Gorum, gorum, gorum. This means heavy. Gandha, gandha, gandha. This means pregnancy. Goff, goff, goff. This means gossip or talk. Goffadi, goffadi, goffadi. And this is called to the person who gossip or talk. Ganti, ganti, ganti. This means count. Gantavya, gantavya, gantavya. This means destination. Gun, gun, gun. This means quality. Gun gives the meaning like quality, virtue, or talent. We use the same word for this word. Gunaso, gunaso, gunaso. This means complaint. Gungunaunu, gungunaunu, gungunaunu. This means to hum. Gumaunu, gumaunu, gumaunu. This means to lose. Gumeko, gumeko, gumeko. This means lost. Gumsinu, gumsinu, gumsinu. This means to suffocate. Gundri, gundri, gundri. This means mat. Gunduk, gundruk, gundruk. This is the food item that is fermented leafy grains. Gulio, gulio, gulio. This means sweet. Good, good. This means molasses. Galti, galti, galti. This means mistake. Gund, gund, gund. This means nest. Guthi, guthi, Guthi. This means association. Gundnu. 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 This means to need. Goreto. 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 This means village path. Gothalo. 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 This means cow herd. Goat. 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 This means cow shed. Gobar. 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 This means cow dung. Golo. 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 This means round. Goli. 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 This means bullet. Gohi. 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 This means crocodile. Goro. 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 This means white or bright. Gaunu. 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 This means to sing. Git. 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 This means song. Gayak. 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 This means singer. Gojur. 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 This means garland. Goti. 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 This means walking style. Excellent. You just learned 50 useful Nepali words that start with Ga. Now let's use these words in a sentence. Let's start with our first sentence. गाउँ धेरै सुन्दर छ. गाउँ धेरै सुन्दर छ. This means the village is very beautiful. Second is गाई घाँस खाँदैछ. गाई घाँस खाँदैछ. This means cow is eating grass. गोरु खेतमा छ. गोरु खेतमा छ. This means the ox is in the field. मेरो गोजीमा पैसा छ. मेरो गोजीमा पैसा छ. This means there is money in my pocket. उसको गाला रातो छ. उसको गाला रातो छ. This means his or her cheek is red. यो बाटो धेरै गाह्रो छ. यो बाटो धेरै गाह्रो छ. This means this road is very difficult. यो ठाउँ धेरै गहिरो छ. यो ठाउँ धेरै गहिरो छ. This means this place is very deep. मेरो गहना हरायो. मेरो गहना हरायो. This means my jewelry is missing. उसले गुनासो गर्यो. उसले गुनासो गर्यो. This means he or she complained. म गीत गाउँदैछु. म गीत गाउँदैछु. This means I am singing a song. ऊ राम्रो गायक हो. ऊ राम्रो गायक हो. This means he or she is a good singer. आमाले गुन्द्रुक पकाउनु भयो. आमाले गुन्द्रुक पकाउनु भयो. This means mom cooked गुन्द्रुक. बच्चाहरू गोरेटो बाटोमा हिँडिरहेका छन्. बच्चाहरू गोरेटो बाटोमा हिँडिरहेका छन्. The children are walking on the village path. गोरु गोठमा छ. गोरु गोठमा छ. This means the ox is in the cow shed. म गाउँमा घुम्न गएको थिएँ. म गाउँमा घुम्न गएको थिएँ. This means I had gone to visit the village. So this was our end of the today's class. You have learned 50 useful Nepali words beginning with the letter Ka and also practice 15 useful everyday sentences. Practice this daily to improve your Nepali. If you find this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to this channel Learning Nepali for more Nepali classes like this. If you have suggestions, please do drop in our comment box. See you in our next video. Dhanyavad.